Hi everyone! I finally got my copy of Gnomes in the Neighborhood, new coloring book by Denyse Klette. This one is very similar to her two first books, Fairies in Dreamland and Mermaids in Paradise. It has the same style of the cover and the same size and quality. Book is printed on the white paper, it's glued together, but binding is really good. I didn't have any problems with two previous books, with opening it or laying flat. Book is printed on the quite thick paper and it's possible to use all your art supplies from alcohol-based markers because all pictures are one-sided to watercolors, deriving pens and all brands of pencils. I really love the truth of the paper. So here we have our new characters, gnomes. And we have both boys and girls here. First, I was a little bit surprised by the look of the gnomes, especially with these big noses, but then I loved them. Here we have a girl, and you can see that they have a very nice figure. I love it. Just like fairies and mermaids, gnomes here are absolutely positive, cheerful, and sometimes mischievous. I'm glad that again we have my favorite cute fat birds, and also all flowers are in the same Danish style. For this new book I have 3 positive and 1 negative thought. So first thing which I really love is this new gnomes houses, gnomes villages. Denyse created a lot of sweet, cute buildings in this book, and I definitely will start with the page with one of Gnome's houses. Second thing which I absolutely like is winter pages. Denyse added maybe 5 or 6 winter pages where gnomes are playing with snowmen, playing in the snow, and they will be perfect for December and January time. In general, I love Denyse's style. I love that she maintained it in this book. Some pages are very similar to the fairies books, especially when gnomes are sunbathing or relaxing among the flowers, and some pages have some new elements. Some pictures are less detailed and it will take you less time to finish them, and some are more detailed. Third thing which I like about this book is a new character, dog, which is named Norman, and he is cute. Now let's talk about one small problem about this book. I have one picture where I have some problems with printing. It looks like the picture during printing was mistakenly shifting down, and now page has a strange white area on the top of it. But I don't think that it's a really huge problem. At least I will be able to draw something in that small area and to cover it with the background color. Overall, I am very happy with the book. For me, mermaids and gnomes are two the most interesting, and I love fairies, but just a little bit less. Now I just have to choose from which page with gnomes houses I want to start, and I hope that you will join me in coloring it. Links for the book on Book Depository and Amazon I will leave in the info box. I would like to hear from you. Which books of Denyse do you prefer, fairies, mermaids, and what do you think about female gnomes? Thank you for watching and have a nice time. Bye.